I completed a very important task today, is to recreate Blender style IK nodes in Unreal. IK nodes are infrastructure for musica dolls. Whether it is the character's fingers, arms, or body control, it needs to be used. In the Key Ripple tutorial reset version, I took the time to explain why is the IK node that comes with Unreal not easy to use, so I used the homemade IK node. However, when the homemade IK node bends the finger too much, there will be a problem that the bending angle of each joint is not smooth enough. So, this time try to port Blender style IK nodes again. I finally got the problem done. Let's go to the control rig first to see the actual performance of this node. Wendy's right index finger has actually installed this node. I'll adjust the pole position. For comparison, let's see if the IK on the middle finger is still the old IK node. You should be able to see. The curvature of the second joint of the middle finger is rather abrupt, not natural enough. We also changed the middle finger to the new Blender style IK.
Compare it.
You should be able to see the difference now. The updated IK node code has been uploaded to GitHub. Search for Music Doll on GitHub and you should find it. The code repositories for these two hippo avatars are mine. The new node is in the above one. The specific implementation file is this. The transplant process was rather tedious, so I also asked the AI to write a skill summary. I tried a transplant in February. It failed. The AI wasn't smart enough. AI didn't do anything, this time with DeepSeek Pro for Flash. Of course, it may also have something to do with my understanding of IK, although we still don't really understand the details of Jacob's matrix. However, in other aspects, it is already possible to give AI appropriate hints. Okay, that's what this issue is about. Thanks for watching. See you next time.